Hi, this is the Blessed Man. In this video, I'm going to show you where you're going to get thousands and thousands of views to your website, to your affiliate link, or whatsoever thing you're promoting online. If you're going to stick with me to the end of this video, I'm going to reveal to you this secret site where you can get thousands and thousands of views and clicks to your affiliate products. If you are looking for a site where you can get real and targeted traffic to your website, then this video is for you. Just stick with me to the end. I'm going to review this site to you very soon and very shortly. This site has made a lot of people money online. Those who are promoting affiliate product, those who are promoting a lot of things on site, whatever thing you are promoting, this site is just the right site for you. And one good thing about this site I'm talking about is that they offers a free trial. So you can actually get up to 2,500 free views to your link or to your website from this site without paying a dime. And then one other thing, if you stick with me to the end of this video, I am going to give you I'm going to give you a code. I'm going to give you a coupon code that you can use to extend your free trial from 5 days to 7 days. That way, you're going to be getting 3,500 visitors instead of 2,500. So stick with me to the end, and then make sure that if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell notification icon so that you can get every video that I drop on this particular channel. Make sure that you like this video, and then give us a good comment and then thumb up, and that way you're going to be helping to promote this my channel. So if you are there with me, can we dive into the video? Let me show you the site that I am talking about right now. All right, guys. One more time, I welcome you to Blessed Word Coach. On this channel, we will show you how to make money online. And then please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Like I said before, if what you're getting from this video is useful to you, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification icon so that you can get every video that I drop every Wednesday, every Monday, every Friday. I drop video on this channel, and then you can take a look at the channel, just go through it to see different videos that suit you. Okay, with that said, I promise I'm going to be revealing this particular website to you where you can actually get uh, thousands and thousands of views to your uh, website. So here right now, this is the site I'm talking about. It is called simpletraffic.co. Simpletraffic.co. www.simpletraffic.co. If you get to this website right now, just type on Google simpletraffic.co. Click on it, and then you will get into the site, and this is just the site. Look at it. Drive real visitors to your blog, to your affiliate link, and then to your website. You can get 2,500 free visitors on our 5-day free trial. So one good thing about this particular site is that they have free trials. You can use this site for 5 days. 5 days, each day will give you 500 visitors, and then 500 visitors by 5 days will give you 2,500 free visitors before they ever charge your card. One good thing, like I promised you earlier, if you can watch this video to the end, I'm going to be giving you a coupon code or a promo code where you can enter it and then extend your free trial to 7 days. Instead of getting 2,500 visitors, you'll be getting 3,500 visitors. Okay, so let's look at some of the benefits of this site. Look at it, benefits of real visitors. Number one, generate revenue. The traffic we deliver is 100% real and has the chance to convert into sales, leads, and sign up. Number two, receive more clicks. The visitors you receive can navigate your website and click on your link, unlike bots or fake traffics. Improve search rankings. Improve your positions on Google and other site engines by providing your website receive visitors. Boost in analytics. Our traffic will be visible on your Google Analytics so you can measure your success. You can see it drive huge amount of visitors. Sign up today and get 2,500 visitors on a 5-day free trial. So how does this site actually deliver visitors? Let's look at what they have here. We receive a visitor. He said a new visitor reaches one of our rented website or packed domains that have huge amount of traffic. Then these visitors within a split second will determine the visitor's demography and check to see if it matches the targeting you choose. Now the visitor is forwarded to you. If the visitor matches your targeted demographic, they are then instantly forwarded to your website directly. No clicks or advertisement is required. So what is included is real visitor subscription, helpful and instant tracking, advanced targeting, and a free day trials. This site is very, very good. You can see the testimonials, big thanks from the entire campaign team to simpletraffic.co for helping us deliver our message to thousands of Americans all across the nations. Okay, so if you watch this video right now, you can see a live proof of somebody who has used this site to make money
using a website called Simple.
A CPA offer. So just
but because it's from a legitimate source, it looks like it's from mirror.co.uk, or from CNN or from BBC, a legit, well-known source. So what I've been using a website called simpletraffic.co, which is a website that pretty much automates and generates traffic for you through a whole bunch of various different ads, whether it's through Google ads, YouTube ads, article ads like mirror.co.uk, and they have various different packages, and they have a free trial where you can actually get 2,500 free visitors in the 5-day free trial. Just to see right here, all of us.
Okay, you can hear this yourself. You can hear this. This is somebody who has used this site and is working for him. This site I'm talking about is what I'm using also to drive traffic to my YouTube channels, drive traffic to my blog, and then to my affiliate product. So if you're actually looking for a paid site that will give you real visitors, I will advise you to check out simpletraffic.co. Then look at this. Let me show you how many visitors and how cheap this particular site gives you quality visitors. Now you get 15,000 visitors for $15 per month. Every month they will drive 15,000 visitors to your site and you will pay 15,000 per month. That is virtually about 0.001. Okay, let's look at it. If you are getting 15,000, you're paying $15 to get 15,000 visitors. This is 0.001 per click or per visitor. And it is a guaranteed way that these visitors are going to click on your, they are going to be clicking on your links, and they're going to be signing up, they're going to be buying, because these are real traffic. Look at this. If you get for 45K visitors for just $40 per month, 60K visitors for $50 per month, 90K visitors for $70 per month, and then 150K visitors for $110 per month, and then you have 225,000 visitors for $160 per month, 300K visitors for $200 per month, and guys, 600K real visitors for $400 per month. Let's do this mathematics again. 600,000 for $400 per month. $400 divided by 600,000. You can see this is 0.00067 cents per unique visitor. So I don't think there is any other web on earth that can give you this type of cheap traffic, but cheap but real and quality traffic to your website. So if you're actually looking for is a website where you can get targeted traffic, and then you can target your traffic. You can decide to choose a particular location, demography, and how you want these visitors to be delivered to your site. So guys, if you are actually looking for where to drive traffic, then this particular website is where you can go. What I like about this particular website is that they offer a free trial. So you can just try it out for 5 days and see how the visitors are, see how real the visitors are before you can actually go and pay money to get this traffic. One other thing that I like about this site is that you can target, there is a high target. You can target any country, any location all over the world. Another thing I like about this site is that they allow you to promote your affiliate link direct on the site. And then this is huge for all of us who are promoting affiliate products. So many other things. Okay, what I really don't like about the site is that I don't know, the traffic is too cheap. It's too cheap. I don't know how they are able to cover this the expenses that they are delivering this targeted traffic to you at this ridiculous price. I think that is the only thing I don't like about them. The traffic is too cheap. But guys, that is to our own advantage. If you're promoting affiliate products, I think this site is the number one site that you can actually check out. You can pay with PayPal, MasterCard, Visa, American Express, Discover, and then JCB. You can actually dive in. So guys, if you have found this video so useful, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, give us a thumb up, share this video, and then tell your friends about this. If you actually want to sign up to this traffic, simpletraffic.co, I will advise you and admonish you to sign up through the link, the first link on the description of this video. If you do that, you're just going to be giving me just a little commission, from promoting the site. I'm revealing a site to you now, and I know it is going to be very, very useful to you. So in order to say thank you to me, all you need to do is to sign up through my link. Just a little commission is what I'm going to get, for showing you this site. So make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you register into this site through the link on the description, and then I will equally give you the code that I'm talking about. So if you are sure you're going to be registering through the link down the description of this video, please, I will also put my email address. First of all, email me, and when you email me, I'm going to be right. Okay, what I'm going to do straight away, I'm just going to be dropping the promo code on the description. Just look at the description, you see the promo code. Please use this promo code to extend your free trial from 5 days to 7 days, and then make sure that you are registering through my link, because that way is going to work well for you. So guys, with that said, that is what I want to show you on this video. And if you like what I have given you on this video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and then click on the bell notification icon, so that I'll be doing a lot of review about this site. I'm going to be doing other things concerning this site, how to set up your your campaign and so on and so forth. Going to be teaching about this site. So if you subscribe to the channel and click on the notification, you will be able to get every single video that I drop about this, and then other different sites where you can promote your affiliate products. So with that said, I want to thank you for listening. I want to thank you for watching. This is the Blessed Man once again. See you in my next video. Cheers.